Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have Vscode open and a folder loaded. Now open the integrated terminal. You can press Ctrl+ or choose View then Terminal. Once the terminal appears, check where you are by running pwd on Mac/Linux or just cd on PowerShell. Doing this shows the current working directory so you know the starting point. Make sure the terminal type is what you expect. Changing shell later will affect commands, so note whether it's bash, zsh, PowerShell, or cmd before continuing. You'll change the path with cd followed by the target folder. Type cd path / to /folder and press enter. If the folder name contains spaces, wrap it in quotes. Once done, use cd to climb up a level or cd tilde to jump to your home directory. Make sure to confirm the new path with pwd. If you want Vscode's editor to open the current folder, run code from this terminal. That links the shell context to the workspace and simplifies subsequent file operations. To make a default starting path, open Settings and search Terminal Integrated CWD, then set a folder or use $workspace folder. You can also change the default shell via Terminal. Select Default Profile if shell behavior differs. Once set, restart the terminal or reload the window to apply changes. If the path refuses to change, make sure no workspace setting overrides your user setting. Check Vscode/settings, JSON, and restart Vscode. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.